Now fluorination and iodination of benzene ring cannot be done by regular methods. For example, if benzene ring reacts with fluorine, it does not give monofluorinated product. Basically, fluorine is very reactive, and in this case, multifluorination takes place. And all hydrogen gets replaced by fluorine. So in this case, if benzene reacts with fluorine, we will have multifluorination. And this happens because fluorine is very reactive. So if I want to convert benzene to fluorobenzene, how this can be done? Basically, this can be done by indirect method. And we take help of diazonium cation. So initially we form diazonium cation from benzene somehow. So this is called diazonium salt. So first, diazonium salt is treated with HbF4. And this is simply exchange of cation and anion. So this we will have as a product. So this is the salt. And if I heat this compound, we will have fluorobenzene. So this is the indirect method. So first we have to treat diazonium cation with HbF4 and the product is heated and this will give monofluorination. Similarly, we cannot do iodination also. So like fluorine is very reactive but iodine is very less reactive. So iodine is very less reactive. And that's why this reaction does not take place. So once again, we take help of indirect method. If I want to do monoiodination, and this time we use an oxidizing agent, generally HNO3, and that can do monoiodination. So HNO3, a oxidizing agent is used. And basically what this oxidizing agent do, this converts I2 to I plus. Iodine has in 0 oxidation state and here it has +1 oxidation state. So this is oxidation. And to do this oxidation, we require a oxidizing agent HNO3. So basically, HNO3 oxidizes I2 to I plus and that is a good electrophile. So that is basically I plus is a good electrophile. So HNO3 helps to generate electrophile in case of iodine. Helps to generate electrophile. So important point, chlorination, bromination you can do by direct method, but whenever you have iodination and fluorination, you have to use indirect method. And in case of fluorination, you have to use diazonium cation and HbF4. In case of iodination, you have to use HNO3 is a oxidizing agent. Chlorination and bromination is easy. You can simply use chlorine and Lewis acid, and this will do monochlorination. And similarly, you can do bromination. So this is about indirect method of halogenation.